Your vehicle has several safety features that are designed to help reduce injury in the event of a collision. This personal safety system includes front outermost seat belts with pretensioners, which is what tightens your seatbelt. And it includes driver and front passenger front airbags. The supplemental restraint system includes side airbags, driver and passenger knee airbags, and the safety canopy, which is side curtain airbags. There are also sensors throughout your vehicle to help analyze conditions before activating the seatbelt pretensioners and airbags. They determine whether the front passenger seat is occupied and the severity of a frontal crash. These sensors compile information and provide it to the restraints control module, which deploys the seatbelt pretensioners and the airbags. Based on the information received, the restraints control module decides which safety devices to deploy and when to do so. Your vehicle is also equipped with a belt minder system, and sensors can detect which seats are occupied. This icon will illuminate and a warning tone will sound if the driver's seatbelt is not fastened when the ignition is turned on. When the initial warning expires, additional alerts will occur if the driver or front passenger has not fastened their seatbelts once the vehicle speed has exceeded 6 miles per hour. In addition, this icon will illuminate to show you the number of seats with fastened seatbelts, including the rear seats. A warning will pop up and a tone will sound to alert you if a seatbelt in the rear seat unfastens. The checkmark symbol indicates that the seatbelt is fastened. An empty seat indicates the seatbelt is not fastened and the seat is unoccupied. The seat with an exclamation point shows you which seatbelt has been unfastened.